Hello, my name is Mark Coppin. I am the Managing Director of Sonata One here in Luxembourg. At Sonata One, we want to be the trusted hub of private markets. So we want to efficiently connect investors and funds and manage the investors' participation in those funds over the life cycle of the fund. Sonata One is unique because we are trying to manage the investor journey throughout the life cycle of the fund. And we do that around 4 propositions. So we aim to help investors select, subscribe, settle and see. We help investors select their funds because at Sonata One we enable them to load their data once to create a pre-approved investment passport so that their KYC is approved, allowing them to share that data many times across multiple funds. So they only ever have to deal with one point of contact in order to update their information, and they can share that across many fund managers to enable them to invest multiple times. In terms of subscribe, we aim to allow them to use electronic subscription documents which are tailored to their investor type, so it's shorter and more efficient and electronically signed, and we remove the need for sort of manual paperwork and provide a more efficient process. We will also manage their tax information by utilising the data captured at the KYC process so that we capture data once and use it many times. The third aspect of our proposition, Settle, is enabling fund managers to log into the Sonata One app and see all of their funds in one place. Global asset manager only has one point in contact and can manage their entire fund portfolio from one place. The final part of our proposition is C, and this applies to both fund managers and to investors. Because we are operating on a global basis with many fund managers, it means that a private investor can log into the Sonata One app and they can see their entire portfolio with their performance history there in one place, and they will be able to download their reporting, their investor register and all of their details in one place. The Sonata One's business was founded on the principle that we take data once and we use it multiple times. We take data from investors for their KYC passport, and we then use that data again to form tax reporting, things like FATCA, CRS reporting, and also automated W8 forms and US withholding tax forms. And we also use that data for electronic subscription documents so that investors do not have to repeat issuing their data multiple times to multiple entities when they want to invest. They only have to upload their data once to the Sonata One app, and it can be used multiple times. The value of mutualisation to me is about standardising the requirements across multiple asset managers and multiple service providers. At the moment, we have lots of independents and they are doing things to different standards. And equally, different nations are doing things to different standards. I think ultimately the idea of data sharing should mean that we get one common standard working not just across Luxembourg, but across the world, so that everybody is working to the same standards and we are protecting investors and markets equally across the world. After Bootcamp, I think Sonata One needs to expand its presence here in Luxembourg and develop its network within the Luxembourg market. Luxembourg is a huge marketplace and it's too big for us to ignore. And equally, the power of our network, I think, can bring real value to Luxembourg too. Sonata One's network of over 53,000 investors already on our database means that we can help fund managers raise their funds faster by a pre-approved investor passport. We can bring that network to Luxembourg and help the efficiency of fund managers, GPs and their advisors to raise funds and close deals more